Hello and welcome back to day 4. Yesterday we looked at how to use the use command, the show command and the select command. Today we are going to look at how to explore the structure of our table in detail. Still using our two databases, Secular and the World database. So use Secular and then we have our show tables. In Secular, we have the following tables: actor info, address, category. So we are using the describe command now to understand each column's data type and what each column contains. So for this actor table inside the Secular database, we're going to look at describe actor. I'm going to run it. So you could see that inside the actor table we have actor ID, first name, and last update. In the subsequent videos we will look at the other details. So this is what the describe command does. It shows you what the columns data type are and what the columns that are inside this particular table, and then the data type. So using the describe actor, we now understand that inside the actor table we have actor ID, first name, and last update. Now let's do it for the world database. Let's go for the world database. We are going to use world and then show tables. This will show us all the tables that are inside. We have city, country, and country language. Let's explore city. We are going to use a describe. Describe city. You could see inside our city we have ID, name, country code, district, and population. So this is all for today. This is actually the importance of the describe command. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in case you don't understand anything. See you tomorrow. Thank you.